Wait. Wait. Wait to cross.
If you guys don't know where we are, we're here at Roger Road and Oracle Road. I'm just trying to get as far, trying to cross the street. Look at this one. This is number 37 of Crosswalk button here.
Wait. Wait to cross. Wait. Wait. Wait.
This one's got some graffiti on top.
Wait. 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 Wait to cross.
This one's like kind of fresh. Look at the back of this. Walk signal's gonna come on in a minute.
Wait. Wait. Wait to cross.
Nice Ghostbusters vehicle. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but that was a Ghostbusters vehicle right there. I'm not pushing this button because I don't want to cross. There's a homeless man in the median. I'm not going to risk it. Also, look at this sign. It looks like somebody stuck gum in the screws. That explains why it looks so gross. Whatever. This sign was actually salvaged from the original crosswalk button that used to be here, which I actually have been to this crosswalk intersection before, back when it still had Econolite buttons installed here. But because Tucson loves to innovate almost anything in their path, they replaced this entire intersection. Well, actually, the lights were original, but the buttons have been replaced.
Wait. Wait to cross.
So there you have it. We got more Campbell Wave / Ped Safety Guardian Wave buttons.
Wait. Wait to cross.
It's kind of cool how that sign managed to survive the test of time here. I mean, just look at it. Walk signal activated. Number 62. This one's number 37. Must have been replaced later.
Wait. Wait to cross.
Replace.
Wait. 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 Wait to cross.
It's a nice little intersection. We're getting a walk signal in a second. 3, 2, 1. Yep. That will be it.